पुढे
मस्त पुढे या सो मग हा बया एकच्या पाठी हा बाबा पुढे बया
खुश हो फाइनली हो गया ये
तुम्हारी वजह से आज मैं कहाँ पे चाय बना के दूंगा लोगों को और मैं मेरा भी पेट भरूंगा। वेरी गुड। कम से कम मैं 5.5 साल तक मैं घर में बैठा रहा था। हमारे गुरु पावसकर सर ने मुझे पहला बाइक दिया और घुमा दिया इधर उधर और अभी मुझे आप लोगों ने सब गुरु पावसकर सर ने हमारे डिसेबल मिनिस्टर सुभाष फर्नांडिस सर ने इन्होंने भी हमें आगे बढ़ा के पर्पल फेस्ट के लिए और सब लोगों को आगे बढ़ा के क्रिकेट हमारे लिए बनाया, बास्केटबॉल बनाया और अपना टेबल टेनिस बैडमिंटन हम सब खेल रहे हैं। और अभी पर्पल फेस्ट होना चाहिए था, अभी क्या हुआ क्या मालूम, मुझे नहीं मालूम। आप सब लोग हमारे सर को पूछिए क्यों नहीं होता है। अभी लोग हमें पूछ रहे हैं, हमें बाहर से लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि बाबा तुम्हारे गोवा में 2 बार पर्पल फेस्ट, 3री बार क्यों बंद कर,
इस बार भी करेंगे।
हाँ होना मांगता है, एक मार्च महीने नहीं तो अप्रैल में होना मांगता है। खूप खुश आसा आज म्हाका ही गाडी दिल्या म्हणजे माझे पोट चलोवपाक आता। हांव पयलीं गुरु पावसकर सरान म्हाका 2 व्हिलर दिली, सायकल बायक दिली, म्हणजे व्हिलचरूय चलोवपाक गावली आणि बायकूय गावली, भोंवपाकूय गावली। हांव कोलवाळे चिखलेच्यान पणजे कंपालाचेर येता, टेबल टेनिस क्रिकेट बी सगळें खेळटा। आणि आयज तुमकां सांगपाक रोटरी क्लबान आणि राहुल रजानी यांनी म्हाका ही गाडी दिल्ली आसा, हेंच्यांनी मेळून रोटरी क्लबान आणि हांव खूब खुश आसा। कित्याक एक म्हाका म्हाजें पोट भरपाक कितें तरी हांव घरा कडेन बसून आसा 5.5 वर्सां जाली आणि म्हाका गाडी दिल्यार आतां ही जे पर्पल फेस्ताक 2 वर्सां जातली, म्हणजे टोटल म्हाका 7.5 वर्सां जातली।
मिनिस्टर सराचो तुमकां
म्हाका खूब सपोर्ट, आमकां डिजेबल लोकांक खूब सपोर्ट आसा। पूण तेंच्यांनी पर्पल फेस्ट कित्याक बंद दवरला लोकांक अजूनय पर्पल फेस्ट गोंयांत जाय। आमकां कर्नाटकाक आमचे प्लेयर जे आसा पळय क्रिकेट, कर्नाटक राजस्थानचे सगळे अजूनय फोन करून आमकां विचारता बाबा ह्या फावटी तुमचें कितें जालें काय म्हणून, अजूनय तुमचें कांयच ना। आतां तुमी सराक विचारा पर्पल फेस्टाचें तुमकां सांगपाचें गोंय कितें, दुसरे कितें वायट उलयता म्हणून तुमी रावपाचें ना फाटी, तुमी फुडें सरा। आमच्या सारकिल्यांक लागून हांव भायर सरलो न्हू, हेका लागून हांव तुमकां सांगता की सरान फुडें सरा। अशें खूब जाण आसा घरा, अशेंच फुडें सरान मातशें पर्पल फेस्टाचें करपाचें आणि अशें बायकी दिवपाचें आणि पोट भरपाक अशें गाडयो दिवपाच्यो।
नमस्कार। आज एक बरो इनिशिएटीव आमी घेतिल्लो आसा। आमचो गौरीश बाब एक डिसेबल आणि सदांच फ्रंट लायनीचेर आसता, खंयचोय इनिशिएटीव आसल्यार गौरीश मुखार सरता आणि एक एग्जाम्पल ताणें सेट केल्लें आसा। आय एम व्हेरी थँकफूल टू द रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पणजे वेळेरा, मिसेस तन्वी सावंत and all other teammates, तांचे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गव्हर्नर शरद पैजी हांव खूब धन्यवाद म्हणटा, बिकॉज यू हॅव कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम बेलगाम टू हियर फॉर दिस इनिशिएटीव। इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ रिक्षा, इट इज a moral boost to all of us, all for our disabled. You are doing so much. I'm very grateful to all the Rotary members, because every activity which is meant for all those deserving people and unprivileged people, so nice of you, and we hope that we will always be together in extending such a beautiful initiative to all the deserving people all across. Rahul ji, I'm very thankful because you have done a wonderful Rahul. तुम्ही खूप you have done a great job for us, and I think
I have to hand this over to you.
yeah, please come and hand over your own hand. Rahulji, thank you so much, and thank you for all. I think you have designed, manufactured Anirudh. So all this, all of us have come together for a good cause, and we will continue working for these people. And as he said, the Purple Festival, I don't know, but
सांगा काय किती ते लोकांना कळालं बाहेर बाहेर लोकांना
नाही,
कळालं
नाही,
बाबा तुम्ही कित्याक बंद ठेवले
Purple Festaच्या पहिले आम्ही खूप इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतलेले असतात, because both of us, Guru Pavaskar and myself, were in Paris for Paralympics. Then we took up the initiative. We had organized 2 tournaments, one for Goa swimming, and मागीर आम्ही Paralympic Para Nationals केल्या with the help of Paralympic Committee of India. And that was a great event, and we didn't find time for Purple Festival. We wanted to not just stick to Purple Festival, but with the Purple Festival, with this initiative, we are extending our arms, we are extending our tentacles, all other parts also. So it is not only empowering all disabled in these sports, but it is empowering them in social life, empowering them for their placement also, for engaging them for a good activity which will fetch them their daily bread. So we are trying to get the involvement of disabled. They should not sit at home and just look for help. They have to come forward, and they should see that how best they can utilize their talent, their capabilities, their abilities. You know, they have a lot of potential, capacity, talent, and
give them a different,
and we have to make them, we have to give them the platform. So that is what we are doing it. And all such people who come forward, you know, we have got a very good director, and we have established our department. Mrs. Varsha Naik is doing wonderfully well in this department, and we will keep on taking up such initiatives wherein disabled will be brought forward, and they will be given all such things which are required to earn their own livelihood.
पूण जर तेंच्यांनी सांगले तशें की पर्पल फेस्ट हो तांचो खूब लागचो आसा, कारण त्या खातीरूच तांकां बरे फुडें संदी मेळ्ळी, आनी त्या पर्पल फेस्टाची मोदीन दखल घेतलेली. सो तो केन्ना जातलो, फुडल्या जातलो काय
I request Mr. Guru Pavaskar.
सो आतां आमच्या ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान सांगलें तशें की पर्पल फेस्ट हे 2 इव्हेंट करून ताच्या मागीर आमी कितें केलें खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. खुबशे लोकांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जालें. कालूच आमी जवळ एक 40% डिसेबिलिटी आसा तांकां ताज ग्रुपान हायर केल्ले आसा. ऑल अक्रॉस ताज प्रॉपर्टीज तांचे इंटरव्यूज सुरू आसा. आमी लोकांक 2 व्हिलर बायक्स दिल्ले आसा. आयज रोटरी क्लबातर्फे फूड कार्ट दिता. स्पायनल कॉर्ड रिहॅब सेंटर, परमनंट रिहॅब सेंटर आमी सुरू केला रुग्णाश्रय हांगा. आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली जाल्यो पर्पल फेस्टा खातीर थंयच्यान त्यो सुरू जाल्यो. सो ते आतां एस्टॅब्लीश जावपाक जाय वेवस्थीत. पर्पल फेस्टूय जातले, पण मोर दॅन पर्पल फेस्ट, दीस परमनंट थिंग्स आर मोर इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. लायक वी हॅव लॉन्च दीस व्हीलचेअर एक्सेसिबल रिक्षाज. इट वॉज थ्रू द पर्पल फेस्ट इनिशिएटिव्ह. सो वॉट वी डू ऑन द ग्राउंड इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट दॅन डुईंग अ 4-day इव्हेंट ऑर अ 5-day इव्हेंट. बट दोज इव्हेंट्स आर ऑल्सो व्हेरी क्रुशल. जशें मंत्रीन सांगलें की आमी जे करतले आतां, माननीय मंत्री आमचे सदांच सगळे कडेन आसता. आमी ताका सांगता की खंयच्याच गजालीक ना म्हणना. फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी पॅरा स्विमींग केलें. इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 1000 पॅरा स्विमर्स हॅड कम टू गोवा फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द कंट्री. Before that, we had so many conferences which were there. So I am sure that Honorable Minister will take this up, and we are ensuring that Purple Fest will continue in Goa, but not in the month of Jan, maybe a little later, maybe after the monsoons. But as Gauri just said, there is a lot of we are also getting phone calls from across the country that we cannot karta ka म्हणून. But the central government has also decided, since it was a very good project, they also want to take it pan India. So there are Purple Fest which may happen in other states also, but at the same time we will ensure that it happens in Goa, but post monsoons.
सर असले फूड कार्ट्स आनी दिवपाचे तुमचे प्लॅन्स आसा फुडें?
No, I mean, we are trying to get other associations, NGOs, and Rotary Club has come forward saying that they would give it not only for disabled, if they find sponsors, and they are getting tied up with, I mean, they have a proposal to tie up with the EDC for sanctioning loan, an initial amount that is margin money and all such, you know, they will be doing it initially, and then we have to find out the best practice which will continue further. You know, it is not just giving a card or a motorbike. It is beyond that. that they themselves should be able to do this business. It is not a one time. It is just empowering them, earning their daily bread and earning, and then should not look forward for again assistance. You know, once the assistance is given, it is fully utilized for their purpose, and then for advancement in their business, they should take care. So we are trying to put this habit. It is not just one time giving it and then we go away. So ताजे खातीर रोटरी क्लब तांचे आनीक इनिशिएटिव्ह आसात. So they are trying to give us all, because they have realized that this department is doing wonderfully well. So they will be tying up with us, and then together we will do such good projects. पर्पल फेस्टाच्या बाबतीत नक्कीच आम्ही करतले, कारण एक जेन्ना केन्ना प्रश्न येता पळय न्ही मिडियान, खूबशे लोक म्हणटात की पर्पल फेस्टिवल जावन फायदो कितें, एक दिसा 6 दिसां खातीर पयशे मोडटा हें जाता. सो वी आर लिटल बीट हेजिटंट दॅट येस, आफ्टर दॅट वॉट वी डू इज नॉट बीन सीन. यू नो, आतां आमी सो मच बिल्डिंग्स वी आर मेकिंग एक्सेसिबल, बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो गजाली पर्पल फेस्टा खातीर जावपाक जाय. तुमी काल इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल पळयला आसतलो इफ्फी. ह्या इफ्फीक भितर पयलेच फावट आतां सगळे वेन्यूज जे आसात इफ्फीन यूज केल्ले आसात ते आमी एक्सेसिबल फॉर डिजेबल्स केल्ले आसात. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स वीच वील कीप ऑन हॅपनिंग. इट इज नॉट अ वन टायम जॉब. पर्पल फेस्ट जालें ताजे नंतर दुसरे दिसा चकाचक आनी सगळे डिजेबल प्रॉब्लम फ्री जायना, कळ्ळें न्ही. म्हणून आमी स्लोली हे सगळें करतात. जशें शक्य आसा तशें आमी वी आर ट्रायंग टू गेट इनवॉल्व all those agencies, all those NGOs, all those sponsors. You know, in the last year itself, we have spent over 2 crores on supplying the equipments or limbs, prosthetics असतले, limbs असतले, हे सगळे. आज आमच्या इनिशिएटिव्हांतल्यान आमच्या GMCन भितर प्रधानमंत्री दिव्यांशू केंद्र हें जाल्लें आसा. डेली 50 पेशंटांक आमी इक्विपमेंट्स दिता, सरकारच दिता, पूण आमी सुरवात खंय तरी पर्पल फेस्टांतल्यान केली आनी हो जो इनिशिएटीव आसा तो कंटिन्यू जालो. म्हणजे आतां गोंयच्या खंयच्याय डिजेबलाक जर कसलोय इक्विपमेंट जाय जाल्यार GMCन भितर येवपाची एक हें केलें आमी. स्पायनल कॉर्ड पयले फावटी गोंयान भितर जाल्ले आसा. So all such things will keep on asking, but some of the people wants overnight to change everything. You know, that cannot happen.
Sir, if we completely now become inclusive this time, sir.
Yeah,
Fully
it is inclusive
not
and
only the
accessible.
masses,
You know,
but the movies and everything were in big numbers this time and accessible.
movies तांचे खातीर डिझायन केल्ले आसात. Those who just cannot see, you know, person having sight visual impairment, they can also watch or enjoy the movies. Thank you so much for
would request District Governor Pai to say.
म्हाका कोंकणी येता, बट माझे कोंकणी मातशें नॉर्थ कॅनराचे. आय विल प्रेफर इन इंग्लीश. इज दॅट ओके नो? सो रिस्पेक्टेड मिनिस्टर साहेब आनी आमचे डायरेक्टर हांगा आसात, हांकां एक शुभेच्छा दिता की आज आमी हांगा येवन आतां हें इतले व्हड कार्यक्रम केलो म्हणून. म्हणजे रोटरी आमचे हे एक पहिले आशिल्लें की एक बस शेल्टर बांदचें अथवा ब्लड बँक करचें. आतां रोटरी हॅज ग्रोन बियॉन्ड ए बाउंड्री ऑफ यू नो एक्सपेंडिचर. आतांच आमी उलयते आशिल्ले की आमचे गुरू पावसकराचे की वी विल थिंक ऑफ समथींग बिगर. आतां हें आनी यू नो मुवेबल म्हणजे कार्टर केल्या. So we wanted to have something, you know, on permanent structures or something like that. We are trying to do something more, and Rotary has gone beyond certain. Now we are doing project worth lakhs of dollars. So it is not that, you know, we are into bus shelter or a welcome board of the, you know, in the outside the city limits. So the Parji Club of Rivera is taking very good initiative in doing lot many projects. In the evening we are having one project. She has already gotten a project worth $1 lakh for the retinopathy and all that. So these are all the big projects we are taking up. And when Rotary meets government agencies like such an efficient officer, such an service-oriented minister, we will be able to do much bigger and much better way, because we can, you know, reach the unreached. We can reach the unreached so that we will be able to make a footprint in wherever it is possible, and Rotary is always there, and they are all good members. Maithili and Tanvi and so many here, Sandra, all of them are very passionate Rotarians. They are looking out for opportunity to do something. So in that case, we are always forefront in the we charity, more than charity, services or business. We are all together, we are all established businessmen, established professionals. We come together to do some kind of a service. Our skill set, our resources are put together with the government officers, with the government of Goa presently. We will do something bigger, sir, and it will not stop here. I will not leave just like that by, pinning a small pin for you and a small shawl on.
Tanvi is
President of the
club.
I would really like to thank the Commissioner as well as the Minister for giving us an opportunity to serve the disability sector. One of the prime focus area of Rotary Club of Panji Riviera this year is persons and children with disability. I'm truly grateful to Anirudh Agrawal, their company Agrawal Renewable Energy, who's into solar making. They have helped design this rickshaw specially for disabled people. Anirudh, thank you so much. He's also sponsored one of the rickshaws for us. In future, we will be giving many such more, either food carts or fruit and vegetable carts, not only for disabled people but also for women, because we want to make them also financially independent. So that is going to be our future responsibility. I also want to thank Rahul Rajani from Bhagwati Trust for associating with us for this cause. My club secretary Maithili, all my club directors, Jeet, Joshua, Claire, Mahesh, Clarissa, everybody, Rajesh, they're all there, always supporting us, and I'm sure we will do much more, not only in the disability sector but wherever Rotary Club of Panji Riviera is required, we are going to be there.